Ugh! Hitting that template to big error when publishing template built in EComposer. It's not EComposer's fault. Actually, Shopify has a rule to keep themes under 256 kilobytes for optimal performance. So, how to solve this error? Here are 4 fastest ways. Tip number 1. Avoid section overload. Keep it clean. Aim for max 10 to 12 sections per page. Check the navigator for your section count. Tip number 2. Reduce product grid. Less is more. Limit yourself from 2 to 3 product grids per page. Tip number 3. Downsize icons. Convert them to images or use a resizing tool before uploading. And tip number 4. When you copy code from somewhere, remember just paste text, only use the key combination Ctrl+Shift+V instead of using Ctrl+V. Now you can easily save and publish your template without seeing that error. Leave a comment if you have any other EComposer questions. Subscribe for more amazing videos.